There are two prevailing theories about it. One is that he was born like it. One theory from his vet that I see regularly was maybe he was dropped as a kitten, but he has no problems eating or anything like that. He came into my life when he was about 2 years old. He's now 13. He's very old and lazy, and he likes to do his own little thing. Flopsy came in the same period as Dobby. She was a lovely buddy. She passed away in 2022. For about 2 days, once Flopsy passed, Dobby actually was really comforting. Dobby's not a cuddle cat or anything like that. He stayed by my side. He knew something was wrong with me, and he kind of stayed with me for like 2 days, bless him. It kind of made me realise that actually me thinking he's completely independent, maybe he kind of does want me around sometimes, and he does sense, my emotional states and stuff like that. So it kind of made me realise that he does actually care. I've always been an animal person, so I've always cared about animals, but he's been the first kind of long-term animal in my life. He's provided me with so much companionship over the years.